Hey, it's Dr. Birchler just sharing a general health information here. This is a link to a study from Mayo Clinic Proceedings on DHA, which is one of the omega-3 fats, or what you may call fish oil commonly, but omega-3 fats. It's one of the predominant fats that the brain is made of, so when ladies take prenatal vitamins or supplements, they'll have DHA in them because of that brain development. In any case, what this talks about is that all-cause mortality, meaning death of all causes, both cardiac and cancer and things like that, are less with people who have better amounts of DHA or omega-3. I've talked about this before in some videos we've made, but in our society where we produce a lot of grain, and then we're marketed these grain products, wheat, soy, corn, those grains, they do not have that type of fat. They have omega-6 fats, and so we have in our diet a tremendous amount of what's called omega-6 fat, and frankly very little, very, very deficient levels of omega-3 fats. Two of the big ones are called DHA and EPA, involved in kind of inflammatory regulation, also brain health, and these kind of things. So just to reinforce that, where do these things come from? Omega-3s ultimately come from something green. Now the fish are going to eat algae, and so you can get them from fish. In the grass, animals will eat grass, and ultimately that omega-3 is going to come from the grass. It'll get into the animal, and if you consume meats that are grass-fed, you can get it in that form. Certainly eating green plants and things is going to have the omega-3 in the form of a plant as well. And there are various foods that have high levels of omega-3. Certainly also a rationale to supplement with, to make up for, frankly, what in a lot of people they're just not going to get it in the diet based on the way we eat. So certainly a rationale to supplement with omega-3. And that's one that I would say has been borne out in science, that there's benefit to supplementation to cover over some of the lack that we have in our diet. So just reinforcement of something we've talked about before, but omega-3 fats, important to consume them in food sources or supplement to compensate for that imbalance in our modern diet.